Good morning, class 8 students. Our topic is chapter 5, When People Rebels, the Rebellion Spread. Students, in this we are reading about how the people started rebelling against the East India Company and how it has started from Meerut to Delhi. After British was routed from Delhi, there was no uprising almost a week. It took that much time for the news to travel. Then the spurt of minimized immunities began. Regiment after regiment minuted and took off the joined other troops of the nodal point like Delhi, Kanpur, and Lucknow. After then, the people of the town and villages also rose up to rebel. Students, that's why the revolt of 1857 become and after becomes very very important because it was the first war of independence and how the started from Meerut, then start Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, and then after the people of the town and villages also roses up and rebels against the East India Company and rallied against the local leaders, zamindars, chiefs, and all who was prepared to establish the authority and fight the British. Nana Sahib, appointed son of the Peshwa Baji Roy, who lived near Kanpur, gathered armed force and expelled the British garrison from the cities. Who was Nana Sahib, who was ruling the British Kanpur that time, also against the Britishers. He proclaimed himself the Peshawar. He declared that he was a governor under the Emperor Bahadur Zafar. In Lucknow, Birji Kaur, the son of the deposed Nawab Wajid Ali Shah, was proclaimed the new Nawab. He to acknowledge the supremacy of Bahadur Shah Zafar. His mother Begum Hazrat Mahal took an advice part in organizing the uprising against the British. In Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai joined the rebel sepoy and fought the British along the Tanya Tok, the general of the Nana Sahib in the Mandal region of the Madhya Pradesh. Rani Avantibai Lodi and Ramgarh raised and led an army 4,000 against the British who had taken over the administration of her state. Britishers had greatly outnumbered by the rebel forces. They were defeated in the numbers of battle. This convinced the people that the rules of the British has collapsed a good and gave them the confidence to take the plunge and join the rebel. Students, Britishers when they were Britishers were greatly outnumbered, means they were less in number when the rebellion was taking place, and this gave the confidence to the Indians ruler to go against the Britishers. The situation widespread popular rebellions develop a region about a particular. On 6th August 1857, we find a telegram sent to Lieutenant Colonel Taylor, the Commander General Chief, expressing a fear felt by the Britishers, or men, and cowed by the number of opposed to them and endless fighting. Every village is held against us, and the Zamindar has risen to oppose us. Students, they have written the letter, and the Commander in Chief expressing their letters to the Britishers that every Zamindar village people were now against the Britishers. Many leaders came up. Students, that time many leaders he came Lucknow to fight Delhi. Also Delhi leaders, also Lucknow leaders, Ghazi, the religious warriors, the Bhakat Khan, a soldier of Bareilly, took charges of the large force fighter who came to Delhi. He became a new military leader of the rebel in Bihar.